So now we're going to work on naming. Let's make sure we're sharing this. Let's turn off Waterloo Road, unfortunately, doesn't help. Okay, so the rule for naming is simple and universal. We use year, month, date, description, extent. Okay. Slow down. Your commands include too many steps. Um, is there an alternative to date first? What are 5 naming conventions we can work with? Date first, most structured. I hate that. Um, project first, creative friendly. Description first, human readable. Interview with Heather 2021. Most natural language, less consistent storing. Category first, system aligned. Audio interview. Yeah, I like that one. Matches your folder, good for cross-folder search. Hybrid, short code, efficient and scalable. Requires learning your codes. I'd feel like 5. Hybrid short code. Question. I like the hybrid short code. I do not care about dates. For me, it should be the last thing next to the extension because when I scan through, I want details first. If learning my codes is an issue, which it is not, that is also easy. It is just learning. Um, so 2, what was my problem with 2? Project name. Um, it's just learning. Okay. Um, I like, oops. I like that 2 is project first. Um, I prefer project plus short code, etc., than date. We have to get this right. And I have base projects. Um, Good. This is a strong, clear direction. We can combine both cleanly. Your custom naming system is project, shortcode, description, date. Example, Ziggurat, interview, Heather, or what is INT? Okay, structure breakdown. Your main organizing principle, shortcode. Project, shortcode, description, date. Suggested shortcodes, keep minimal, keep list small, do not expand too much. Let me add this list to my Word document. Let's make a page break. Wow, my brain's getting tired. This has been a long afternoon. Insert break. Okay. What's that? Keep this small, do not expand too much. Why this works. You can scan by project first, preference. You see type instantly, you read meaning naturally, date does not interfere. Important rules, use underscores only, no spaces, no special characters, descriptions short. Before we rename, we do not batch rename blindly. Next step, test on 5 files only, confirm it feels right. Okay, cool. So we're gonna see what happens. So preview 5 files, no changes. The Klingon Pocket Dictionary, it keeps standing up. Reply with only the 5 names. Okay. This Klingon has special characters. That shouldn't be the case. We convert each into your format. Hmm. Proposed names clean and consistent. Huh. I don't understand what's going on with the use of ref. So let's go back to reference, miscellaneous. Um, Problem, use of names first will be confusing. Sophia is a sewing pattern name. That matters. Um, Ecofeminism is a reference. Um, Ref underscore DOC etc. is questionable. I mean, I feel like I get confusion about file names in a lot of ways, but it's more about my own iterations. And that confuses the content of these. This is exactly the correction. Your system needs meaning clarity first, not arbitrary labels. Fix the logic before renaming. Your priority is what is this file in your Word world, not generic labels. So we adjust the structure. Revised naming format, category, project description, where category meaning reference, pattern, interview, project, only when relevant, description, specific content. So this would be my updated shortcodes. So we go back here and let's do a strike through. And apply this next batch. One of the things that I have an issue with this renaming is project is always relevant. Skipping that will be confusing. Unspecified. That's unspecified. Maybe is an option for some unnamed projects, but everything belongs to something. And also, what was this last bit I might have missed? Ref Klingon Dictionary, Ref Ecophenis Mies Shiva, Ref Scale Test Legend, Pattern. I think it needs adjusting. That doesn't feel natural still. Ref equals reference theory, pattern, sewing patterns. Int is interview, node is nodes, IMG is image, video is video, audio is audio, automate, unsorted, temporary, unclear. Um, Unsorted is often related to personal or health or psychology. This leaves unsorted to be actually unrelated to projects and have personal, etc., so that I can trust unsorted to mean unsorted. That's a precise distinction. Project category description, etc. Unsorted is truly unknown, not yet processed. Personal has their own project names. Yeah, that's good. Admin, personal, oh, um, the way you used personal psych is not accurate, but as an example, it makes sense. Okay. We do not lock your project names on any system. So locked system, only this is fixed. Project category, description, extension. Okay, great. Let's do that. Amazing. Let's see what this looks like. Reply with only 3 names. Now you define the project names. This is the only thinking step. For each file, assign a project name. Ooh. Project name, 1 word or short phrase. Um, language theory. Language. Academic. Um, Yeah, language is right. So that's language. Um, Ecofeminism, that's reference. And that's costume. Language, ref, Klingon dictionary, reference, ref, ecofeminism. I have a problem with this. The double ref. I think it should be academic, ref, etc. Okay, good catch. That's exactly the kind of refinement. Um, Look at this other thing. Language ref, Klingon, dictionary, costume. And also this one. And also this. It is costume sewing. Needs to be uh, abbreviated, maybe. Um, and then pattern. Project category description. Your actual meanings, the project costume sewing pattern, not ref. Scale test belongs to sewing pattern work, yes. Abbreviation decision, costume sewing pattern, scale test legend. Costume pattern. I don't know which one to choose. It's one word less. Pattern, scale, test legend, costume. I like this one. Good decisio. Final confirmed names. Yeah, that's better. Apply, rename, and paste. Okay, done. We scale to 10 files. Okay. Go ahead and run the rename command from the previous step. Okay. Mm. We've hit issues. This is normal and helpful. What happened? Scale test does not exist. Ah, it's an artifact. What to do now? We verify the other two works. So action, paste. Let's check this out. Only the names you can see. Hmm. What is going on here? You now have duplicates created during renaming. No, we just got rid of all those. That can happen. Klingon Pocket. This means rename failed on originals, likely special characters. New files were created chart. We must now remove old versions safely. Yes, do not want to go back into the hell of duplication. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, resume. Really want to keep watching this show. It's not like I'm saying all that much, or that anyone's gotten to this part of the video. So this is clean and consistent. These are Mac metadata files, not real documents. They're safe to delete, not rename. Okay. Delete these safely. Wow, it seems like this is going to be a super slow process. Whatevs. Okay, we got there. Continue on with naming.